are starting to deplete our resources. As we are on spaceship Earth, we have non-renewable resources. We, as a planet, are addicted to oil. We are running out of fossil fuels, which we rely heavily on. Instead of just waiting for non-renewable resources to run out completely, we should put our energy into finding new ways to harvest the renewable resources around us. The energy from the sun is renewable and should be harnessed. Since we get all our other energy from the sun, it seems only natural that we use the sun for electricity. Using solar panels, the sun can be efficiently harvested and used for electricity. When the sun hits the photovoltaic panels, it is converted to electricity by exciting the electrons and pushing them through a wire to make a current. As of right now, solar energy systems are very expensive. This is why they aren't on more homes. The DOE Sunshot Initiative is a national effort to make solar systems 75% less expensive by the year 2020. This decrease in cost will make solar panels affordable and widely used. There are even ways to make your own solar panels so you can save money. A basic solar installment can cost $20,000. Building your own may make it more affordable. Once built, solar energy is free. Other than the cost of the panel, you don't have to pay to use the sun to extract energy. Solar power can be used in electrically remote places. Sunny countries can use the sun to their advantage. Using solar panels can help you minimize your carbon footprint. With an increase in the use of renewable resources for fuel, we can stop pushing the greenhouse effect over the edge. If you are concerned about the well-being of your environment, you should try out solar power. Solar power doesn't harm the environment and is renewable. It would be wise to use our scientific knowledge and our time to make use out of renewable resources instead of trying to suck every single job out of our non-renewables. Some people cannot afford their home electricity bills. If solar panels become more affordable, then so will home electricity bills and battery chargers. Solar panels are great for lower energy things until we can make them more efficient. Some solar energy can be used to store light and release it later. This can be used at night to illuminate houses. They are used for emergency lighting in case of a power outage. Out of all the renewable resources, solar is the most environmentally friendly out of all the available new technologies. Solar panels can provide energy to mountainous places that normally wouldn't be able to achieve it. Solar panels can reduce your heat and electric bills. It is also better for the environment than fossil fuels, producing no air pollution and it is renewable. Let's find out the different kinds of ways there are to harvest energy from the sun. They convert light directly into electricity. This electricity can be used in your home. These modules are very efficient and you can run a 100-watt light bulb on 1 square meter of the panel. Starting with our calculators, light is used to provide them with electricity. This is the use of the sun to heat the water in your home with glass panels on your roof. This limits the amount of electricity or gas needed to heat the water in your home. These panels are black so they can take in more light. Water is pumped into tubes underneath these panels so the sun can heat it. Convection currents are used to help the water flow. The hot water goes back into the tank ready to use. This can cut your fuel bills so you don't have to pay as much. The water must be drained in the winter so it does not freeze. Some do this automatically. It is definitely worth doing in places with a lot of sunlight like California and Australia. This is something that uses a bunch of mirrors to concentrate the sun's light into a small space to collect heat. This has the same concept as using a magnifying glass to concentrate the light, making a high heat. In countries with enough light, it is used to cook food. Even if it takes a long time, it is sometimes used to make tea. Solar power is more encouraged in the United Kingdom. They even have grants to allow you to install solar panels on your home.